To the matters of health, our next stop is the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, NIPER. Prepare to delve into the world of diabetes research as our expert guest from NIPER, Dr. Vasundhara Bhandari, faculty in charge pharmacoinformatics and biopharmaceuticals, unveils the latest breakthroughs reshaping our understanding of this prevalent health concern, diabetes. Stay tuned for insights that offer hope for a healthier future.
Ma'am, what are the latest research happenings in diabetes?
So when you talk about the latest research in diabetes, it's a global disease. So not only in India, but all over the world, people are exploring that, especially in case of type 2 diabetes, that why one treatment does not fit all. That is the latest trend or the latest area of focus which we are working on.
What novel techniques or methodologies are you people employing in diabetes research at NIPER?
So when you talk about techniques, we are using the cutting edge biotechnological tools like next generation sequencing. We use whole genome sequencing, exome sequencing to understand the treatment outcomes against the diabetes.
Okay, just now you mentioned about the human genome. Then how do you think that the human genome project has helped in diabetes research?
So see, thanks to the Human Genome Project, which was a voyage of biological discovery led by a group of researchers and published in 2003, that gave us the total human gene print. What gene codes for what? We have the total information. So with the help of this information, the researchers and the clinicians are now understanding the whole disease pathogenesis, treatment outcomes, as well as how the disease is progressing in one and not in the another individual. So I have the complete information about myself. So I can differentiate between a patient which is responding and not responding based on the genes or the DNA what we have. So that is how the human genome has helped us.
How does interdisciplinary collaboration play a role in diabetes research at NIPER, and how does it contribute to your work specifically?
So when we talk about the interdisciplinary research, today if I am able to work in this area, it's because I am working in collaboration with different tertiary care hospitals. The clinicians are the one who came to us with this problem that they are facing. So once they come to us, they are the one who will profile the patient. With their help, we can differentiate the patient between responsive and non-responsive. And then followed by the person who can make a diagnostic assay, we will collaborate with them. So it is not just me, it is be a group of researchers with different specialization which are going to help in solving this.
In what ways do you see the future of diabetes research evolving, and how might NIPER contribute to these advancements?
So as I mentioned, the Human Genome Project had really led to the discovery and enhancement in all kind of clinical research. And diabetes as such, in India itself, we have more than 77 million of people who have been currently above 18 years of age are suffering from diabetes. And diabetes too is a major problem in India. So when we talk about research and the outcomes of our thing, I think diabetes has to be cured, and it is ever evolving. If I get one biomarker, then other people are going to validate. We have n number of different types of population in India. Our eating style, our lifestyle are different from now to south, from east to west.
And the climatic variations
so
are there.
It is not just the genes, it's n number of factors. So I think it will keep on evolving, and with the help of this genome sequencing and other cutting edge tools, it will keep on expanding, and we will be able to resolve it one day.
Dear listeners, that was Dr. Vasundhara Bhandari talking about diabetes research.